So I started dancing when I was around 4 years old in Mexico, and I was involved or presented to this beautiful culture by my mother, who was also a dancer. And as soon as I began dancing and I got immersed into it, I loved it. I fell in love with how the storytelling was and the respect that it had involved with the dancing, and therefore I continued dancing. I danced with several groups, Kaleo Nalani here in San Diego, and then I was pushed to start my own Pupu Ori in Tijuana, which is Manava Polynesian studio. And I love being able to teach others about the culture and respect that I have for the culture, being able to just expand my knowledge and pass it down to them so they understand and they become as passionate for this culture as I am. And I've seen a lot of my dancers continue to represent and want to expand their knowledge and learn more in order to be great ambassadors of this Ori Tahiti culture.